Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. So today, first news coming from G Entertainment, Culver Max Entertainment and Bangla Entertainment that reach a comprehensive settlement to conclude all disputes related to merge cooperation agreement and scheme of arrangement. तो इसका चलता है जी लिमिटेड काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया मार्केट में देखेंगे और डिटेल में एक्चुअली न्यूज़ क्या है. So withdrawal application to be filed by the companies before the Singapore International Arbitration Center NCLT and all 11 regulatory. आज का न्यूज़ है 27th August and Z Entertainment Enterprise that Z and Culver operating as Sony Picture Network India together with its group company Bangla Entertainment BEPL has arrived on comprehensive non-cash settlement resolving all dispute. So ये काफ़ी अच्छा न्यूज़ है Z Limited के लिए. देखेंगे इसका चार्ट. सो यह है जी न्यूज़ का जी एंटरटेनमेंट का डेली चार्ट. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि 225 जब ये न्यूज़ पब्लिश हुआ होगा उस टाइम में इसने एक स्पाइक लगाया और लगभग बंद हुआ 11.56% पे. सो दैट इज़ द जी एंटरटेनमेंट स्टॉक. अगर लॉन्ग टर्म के बारे में देखें तो मंथली चार्ट इट इज़ गेटिंग इनटू ए वेरी क्रूशियल सपोर्ट जोन. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि 125 130 इस रेंज पे इसको एक सपोर्ट मिला था कोविड टाइम में और वहाँ से बढ़ के गया था करीब करीब 350 360. सो करेंटली इज ट्रेडिंग 150. सो अगर इस न्यूज़ के चलते ये स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंटम दिखाना चालू करे तो इमीडिएटली सम 50 पॉइंट्स लाइक 200 के करीब टारगेट हम लेके चल सकते हैं जी एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए. सो दैट इज द न्यूज़ फॉर जी एंटरटेनमेंट. सेकेंड न्यूज़ आ रहा है मेडियासिस जो एक टीपीए थर्ड पार्टी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर फ्रॉम मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज. मेडियासिस पूरा अपना जो बैक एंड वर्क है जो प्रोसेसिंग है सब करता है. ही मेडियासिस मार्केट लीडर. एक कल का एक्चुअली न्यूज़ है आफ्टर मार्केट आवर. सो न्यूज़ ये बता रहा है कि मेडियासिस टीपीए टू एक्वायर 100% स्टेक ऑन पैरामाउंट टीपीए फ्रॉम फेयरफैक्स एशिया एंड डॉक्टर नैन्स एंड फैमिली. सो पैरामाउंट टीपीए जो एक उसका कंपिटिटर है मेडियासिस टीपीए टू गोइंग टू एक्वायर 100% ऑफ इट. तो इससे पता चल रहा है अपना जो एक्सपेंशन है और जो रीच है वो मेडियासिस्ट काफ़ी बढ़ाने का कोशिश कर रहा है. डिटेल्स में देखेंगे और पोटेंशियल देखेंगे तो मेडियासिस्ट TPAs due to this acquisition represent one of the largest TPA deal in India with an enterprise value of 311 crores. So 311 crore का बात वहाँ पे हो रहा है. Equity value expected to exceed 400 crores subject to regulatory IRDAI approval. Mediasys market share by premium managed all increased by 6% in this group segment by 4% in the health insurance industry on March 2024 basis. So that's the news for Mediasys. और Mediasys जैसे मैंने कहा is one of the market leader, is the market leader. और उसके चलते जो एक्विजिशन के चलते क्या होगा कि पैरामाउंट टीपीए 30 इंश्योरर के साथ काम करता है. 300 प्लस ग्रुप कस्टमर है उसका और रिटेल पॉलिसी होल्डर है. और इसके चलते मार्केट शेयर विल ग्रो टू 36.6% फॉर द ग्रुप सेगमेंट एंड 23.6 फॉर हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री बाय प्रीमियम मैनेज. तो काफ़ी अच्छा खासा जंप देखा जा रहा है फॉर मेडियासिस्ट. सो देखते हैं एक बार चार्ट इसका. दिस इज द डेली चार्ट ऑफ मेडियासिस. और जैसे देख सकते हैं कि आज का न्यूज़ के चलते आज ओपन हुआ काफ़ी हाई और क्लोज हुआ 8.04%. सो लगभग उसी रेंज पे ओपन हुआ था. बट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दिस क्रॉस्ड ए मेजर बैरियर दैट इज अराउंड 605 रुपीज़ राइट. सो दैट इज द रेजिस्टेंस जोन जो इस स्टॉक ने आज क्रॉस किया और बंद हुआ लगभग उसी के करीब. सो कीप इट इन योर रेडर. इट इज हैविंग ए ग्रेट पोटेंशियल फॉर नियर फ्यूचर एंड फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म एज वेल. सो मेडियासिस्ट दिस इज द स्टॉक फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट खबर आ रहा है फेवरेट स्टॉक RVNL. This time it is not a confirmation of order but probably Rail Vikas will get this order. So Rail Vikas emerged as a lowest bidder from Southern Railway. We'll see what is this order all about and what is the valuation of it, right? So the detail says that name of the entity is for Southern Railway, general contract condition, provision of MS stack with existing DCTC station, replacing balance AFTCs in MAS, GTR, MMS, BTBM, automatic block, and 18 months का duration है. और जो bidding हुआ है which is the lowest that is 111 crore 38 lakhs. So 111 crore approx, that is the valuation for this particular order and RVNL probably gonna get this. So that's the news for RVNL. Another rail stock, another order, Railtel 27th of August. It says that there is a major order secured. Intimation regarding major order secured. So what is the order? Regulation. Okay. Railtel Corporation India informed that received the work order from Eastern Railway for works amount about 70 crore. Okay. So RVNL 111. Here we are talking about 70 crore of order. What is this order? This order is about implementation of unified communication infra comprising LAN infra, IP exchange, voice over IP based control communication and MPLS based network over Eastern Railway. Time period for which order contract is to be executed is 25 November 25. सो एक साल से ऊपर, और वैल्यूएशन जैसे देखा गया 70 करोड़. So that's the valuation we are talking about. So both RVNL and Railtel should be in your radar with this order received. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ आ रहा है डी पाइपिंग सिस्टम. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कंपनी, आई केम अक्रॉस फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. सिंबल है इसका DEEDV. सो इफ यू सर्च, यू नीड टू सर्च DEEDV एंड इट इज अबाउट एन order, right? So what is this order? The order says we'd like to inform that the company has backed a purchase order from L&T Energy Hydrocarbon, Kattupalli near Ennore Port, Taluk district, Tamil Nadu. So what is the detail and what is the valuation? Name of the entity is L&T Energy Hydrocarbon, as we see. Piping fabrication. So ये जो DP है, पाइपिंग सेक्टर में काफ़ी इसका एक्सपोजर है. So piping fabrication of job work basis. Nature of the work, piping spool fabrication including NDT, blasting and painting. Time period 37/2025, so July 2025. और valuation दिखाया जा रहा है 26 crore. So that's the amount of work D has received from L&T Energy. So that's what DDev. We'll see the chart quickly. So this is the D Development Engineering Limited ka day chart, and currently as you see, it is kind of in the support zone around 348. So with this news and with the exposure, if it start going up, it may get into this previous resistance zone, which is around 375, 380. So that should be the target for D Development. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक एपोलो माइक्रोसिस्टम, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टॉक. सब्जेक्ट दिया गया है कि अनाउंसिंग ऑफ ऑर्डर रिसीव्ड एंड लोएस्ट बीडर स्टेटस. सो व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट? ऑर्डर रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम भारत डायनामिक्स, ओके, PDL. We are delighted that the company received 10 crore worth of order from Bharat Dynamic, and this order is for state-of-art software-defined universal homing system for heavyweight torpedoes. Okay, this is the first kind of technology developed in collaboration with DRDO. The order marks the beginning of production from MS Bharat Dynamic Limited, who are nominated agency for the production of entire torpedo. तो इससे क्या पता चल रहा है कि BDL के पास टॉर्पेडो बनाने का पूरा ऑर्डर है. So BDL should be in your radar along with the partner, the Apollo Microsystem. This also should perform well. As of now, it's 10 crores, so which is kind of a partnership, but main order BDL के पास. This is the monthly chart for Apollo Microsystem. It started its journey around 54-50 rupees and then gone down to 4 rupees. Okay, now it is 105. So 4 to 100 already, you can see 25 times already recovered. Means a return provided since the COVID. Now it is trading in 105 level. Highest it went till 150, right? So another 50 rupees it has been reached already. So as per my analysis, currently it is having a steady or settlement zone where it is taking rest. So a good point of getting into this stock would be around 195 rupees, and breakout we may see during 120 or 130. So that should be the immediate target if this stock get its momentum back. So that's for Apollo Microsystem. Insolation Energy Limited. First time I'm encountering this. This is into solar panel, battery and PCO. So it also got a order, very good amount of rupees, 30 crore of order. We'll see what is this order about and we'll see the chart as well. So hereby it informed that our wholly owned subsidiary company, i.e. Insolation Green Energy Private Limited, has bagged the purchase order of supply for solar PV module as under. So what is this? This is about a party name Rays Green Energy Manufacturing Private Limited. Quantity is 24.985 megawatt. Amount is 30 crore 54 lakh. So that's the order we are talking about, which Insolation Energy has received. And delivery is within FY 24-25 and supply for SPP panel, and this is the amount. Okay, so that's the news for Insolation. Let's see the chart. And here's the beautiful chart of Insolation Energy. Launched in October 2022, so not even 2 years, and the return is 4948%, almost 5000%. When it was launched, it was 77 rupees per share. Now it is 3747 per share. I don't know what is the limit of this stock, but with this new order, we can see that it will perform in near future also well. Today the stock is up by 10%, so almost upper circuit. So do your own analysis. Insolation Energy, if anyone is holding it, so they must be very proud of their investment. Please share your feedback and your experience. Next news on Silpa Medicare. So if you have seen my yesterday's video, yesterday also I have spoken about one of the fatty liver related drug that got the Silpa Medicare got licensed. Today similar kind of news coming, another FDA approval. So for any pharmaceutical stock, US FDA approval is a benchmark. So इसके चलते US FDA approval आज इसको और मिला एक इंजेक्शन का, और देखेंगे चार्ट, आज काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. So back to back 2 days, Silpa Medicare received 2 FDA approval. We'll see the chart. This is the monthly chart of Silpa Medicare. Today it went up around 4%, 5%, settled down 3.94. So as you see, it just touched the all-time high today. That is 788. Okay, so if it cross and sustain, I don't know what is the limit, maybe 1000 or 900 in months to come. But today it got a pause in 788. That is the lifetime high. So keep it in your radar. Very good stock, good potential. Similar segment, Suven Life Science, and news also coming in the similar note that Suven Life Science announced that FDA acceptance of investigational new drug and grant of study map proceed later to initiate the phase 1 clinical trial of Suven, some true to a particular receptor positive allosteric modulator. So कोई एक डिवाइस है या मेडिसिन है जिसके चलते यूएस एफडीए का इसको सैंक्शन मिला है कि आप इनिशिएट करो फेज 1 का क्लिनिकल ट्रायल, which is a good news. So Suven Life Science also should be in your radar. Next news, information technology, Datamatics, the 27th of August, and the news suggesting that there is a partnership between Microsoft and Datamatics to build AI solutions through copilots. So that's the news where we can say that Datamatics will perform well in near future with this partnership. News from Bharti Airtel, and it is about a partnership again with none other than Apple. So the news says that we are enclosing hereby a press release dated today that Airtel and Apple entered into a strategic partnership to bring exclusive offer to Apple TV Plus and Apple Music to customer in India. और एक न्यूज़ मिला, विंक ऐप अपना ऐप एयरटेल उसको डिकमीशन कर रहा है. विंक ऐप काफ़ी लोगों के पास होगा, आप लोगों का कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. विंक ऐप अब आगे जाके नहीं दिखेगा. तो यहाँ पे जैसे हम देख पा रहे हैं कि एप्पल टीवी प्लस एप्पल म्यूजिक के साथ partnership बढ़ा रहा है Bharti Airtel. So it's another dimension. So keep Bharti Airtel in your radar. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.